Antarctica, the southernmost continent, is a land shrouded in mystery and covered in a thick layer of ice. Unlike other continents, Antarctica doesn't belong to any single country. Instead, it's governed by a unique international treaty system. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, designates the continent as a scientific preserve, setting aside territorial claims and focusing on peaceful research. This treaty, now signed by 54 nations, ensures that Antarctica remains a place for scientific collaboration and environmental protection. However, the history of territorial claims in Antarctica is complex. 7 countries, Argentina, Australia, Chile, France, New Zealand, Norway, and the United Kingdom, have made overlapping claims to parts of the continent. These claims, while recognized by the claiming nations themselves, are not universally acknowledged. Argentina claims the Antarctic Peninsula and a sector extending to the South Pole, overlapping with British and Chilean claims. Australia claims a vast sector between 45 degrees east and 160 degrees east longitude, encompassing nearly half of the continent. Chile claims a sector extending from 53 degrees west to 90 degrees west longitude, overlapping with Argentine and British claims. France claims Adelie Land, a coastal sector between 136 degrees east and 142 degrees east longitude. New Zealand claims the Ross Dependency, a sector between 160 degrees east and 150 degrees west longitude. Norway claims Queen Maud Land, a coastal sector between 20 degrees west and 45 degrees east longitude. United Kingdom claims British Antarctic Territory, a sector extending from 20 degrees west to 80 degrees west longitude, overlapping with Argentine and Chilean claims. Despite these historical claims, the Antarctic Treaty takes precedence. It prohibits military activities, nuclear explosions, and the disposal of radioactive waste on the continent. This ensures that Antarctica remains a pristine environment dedicated to scientific research and the preservation of its unique ecosystem. The Antarctic Treaty also established a system of international cooperation, including scientific collaboration. Countries work together on research projects in fields such as climate change, geology, and biology. Environmental protection. The treaty prohibits activities that could harm the Antarctic environment, such as pollution and resource extraction. Conservation of wildlife. The treaty protects Antarctic wildlife, including penguins, seals, and whales. The Antarctic Treaty has been remarkably successful in preserving Antarctica as a peaceful and pristine continent. It has also served as a model for international cooperation on other global issues. However, the treaty is not without its challenges. As climate change continues to impact the Antarctic environment, new challenges are emerging, such as the potential for increased tourism and resource extraction. The future of Antarctica will depend on the continued commitment of the international community to uphold the principles of the Antarctic Treaty. By working together, we can ensure that this unique continent remains a place of peace, science, and environmental protection for generations to come.